Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert handwritten words into digital text in Samsung smartphones or tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm having a Samsung tablet. So if you're using a Samsung smartphone also, these tricks will gonna work for you. So firstly, what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Samsung Notes. Just search this application. As you can see, Samsung Notes, just tap on it. So firstly you install this application. So I've already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. And after that just tap on open. On opening you will see this kind of user interface, right? And the bottom you can see here one circle icon, just tap on it, and now you can see by default the on-screen keyboard pops up, and on the above you can see here next to it is a pen icon. Just select it, and now let me try to write something. So let me write here something. So I'll just write hello, right? So this is a handwritten word, right? So how you can convert this handwritten word into a digital text? So for this, what you need to do, as you can see here on the above, one option written T, right? Now you can see here convert to text. Just tap on it. So now you can see here it auto detects my handwritten words. So you can see here it's showing a digital text hello. So in order to convert this handwritten word into digital text, what you need to do, you can see here written convert. Just tap on it. Voila, now you can see my handwritten words has been converted into digital text very easily. So if you want to undo it again, just tap on this back arrow. So you can see this is the original handwritten words by me, and now after converting you can see it converted into the digital text. So using this application named as Samsung Notes, you can easily convert handwritten words into digital text in Samsung smartphones or tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool features available in the Samsung Notes, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.